This gave back to 6. This gave back to 5. 2 stillborn and 3 are alive. This gave back to 5. All are alive to the glory of God. This gave back to 6. She slept on 1. The remaining 5 are doing fine and active. I've already debeaked them, and I also cut the tail. That is tail docking. That's what I've done to these ones. Today they are 4 days old. These ones, they are 2 days old. These ones, they are few hours old. These ones, they are 3 days old. I've already cut the tail. In fact, I did the tail docking this morning. I gave them the first shot of iron and multivitamin plus antibiotics. So that is what I did to these ones. Let's go to the other pen room there. So these ones, I think they are going to a week plus. Okay, they are going to 2 weeks now. And the mother here, she was sick. She was sick before, but thank God she has recuperated. And I think I documented how I did the treatment. So in case you are facing the same challenges, I want to believe that's the best way out to do it. So she gave birth to 9. The largest litter she has ever given me. The first birth she had 2. The second birth she had 3, and this is the third birth. So she had 9. Unfortunately, when she was sick, because she did not have energy, so she slept on 1, and we are left with 8 beautiful babies. And I still have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe like 7 that are pregnant, heavily pregnant. So, and here is my Duroc. Look at my baby girl. Hopefully by next month she's going to put to bed. So I'm inviting you for our Omugo. Start booking, yeah, because it's going to be on first come first serve basis. And as you know, my animals, they are not expensive, despite the fact that they are exotic breeds. I try to not inconvenience people. I rather assist you. So just reach out to me if you are within Kwara, Oyo State, Osun State, Ogun State, Lagos State. But that far east, far north, I wish to supply you guys, but the cost of transportation is over the roof. Yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, I just showed you part of the benefit of having pigs on your farm. Can you see my chicks are coming out gradually? They actually disappeared when I was raising fish. But thank God, the pigs, they are giving me the juice. Glory be to God. Peace out. Subscribe.